alaikum students. Hope you are fine and enjoying the holidays very well. As you know that with the enjoyment you have to do study as well. So I am the teacher of class prep. My name is Susan Bano. I am here to teach you social studies. Today our topic is profession. This is very interesting topic and hope you will enjoy in this topic. First of all, we will come to know about this word, that what is meant by profession. Profession is the work, is the job that is chosen by a person by specific study and hard work. Over here, you can see few professions are here. You can see who is she? Teacher. Who is he? Farmer. Who is he? Firefighter. Who is she? She is nurse, then chef. You know, all these professions use different tools. Over here, few tools are here that are used by these profession. Have you seen a doctor? When you go to the hospital, you see a person who is wearing a coat and a stethoscope. You can easily judge that he or she is a doctor. A person who is having utensils and wearing a special costume, so you can easily judge that yes, he or she is a chef. Okay student, have you seen on the roads there is a traffic warden who is wearing a special uniform? So you can easily judge, you can say that mama or baba, he is a traffic warden. So by the uniform or by the specific tools, we can easily judge the profession. So over here, teacher use books. Farmer use a farming tools in his profession. Then firefighter use pipe in his profession. That is only related to the firefighter. A teacher can't use the pipe. A doctor can't use it. Then come towards the nurse. Nurse is having the injection or the file in her hand and we can easily judge that she is a nurse. Then come towards the chef. Chef is having a specific utensils. So with the help of these old tools, we can easily judge about the professions. Now think about, you people think that when you will be grown up, so which profession you want to choose, and you have to work hard for it. Now move towards the book, we have to do the reading. Okay students, now you have to open page number 13, professions. As I have already told you about the different profession, doctor, farmer, teacher, chef, and over here a mechanic is here. Okay students, now what you have to do, you have to learn the answers of these given questions. Come towards the first question. What is profession? A profession is the work people do. Come towards the next question. Who treats sick people? Obviously you know about it. A doctor treats sick people. Come towards the next question. Which tool does a doctor use? As I have already told you that a doctor uses a stethoscope. Then the next question, who repair cars? A mechanic repair cars. Then come towards the next question, which tool does a mechanic use? So you have to answer, a mechanic uses a spanner and screwdriver. A mechanic uses a spanner and screwdriver. Come towards the next question, who grows crops in the fields? A farmer grows crops in the fields. Hope you learn about different professions very well. Now we have to do the worksheet. Come towards the worksheet now. Okay students, there is a worksheet and it's about professions. We have to read the statement first, that match the profession with its tools. You can see over here, these are the profession and there are different tools that are used by these profession. Okay, first of all, look here. Who is she? She is a baker. Who is he? He is a farmer. Who is he? He is a firefighter. Then who is he? He is a chef. Then at the last one, who is he? He is a teacher. Now you have to observe these tools and we have to match these tools with the profession. Okay, look here. A baker. Baker is having a cake in her hand. How can she bake the cake? Obviously, you know that she uses eggs and the flour to mix it up. Then she makes a cake. So how can she do it? Obviously, she can use it. She will use it to make a cake, a bowl and the whisker. So we have to match with it. She is a baker. Okay, he is a farmer. So, a farmer will use pipe? No. A farmer will use a pan? No. Obviously, he will use the farming tools, that is how. We have to match this farmer with the tool. Okay, firefighter. We can easily judge that he will use pipe. So we have to match this tool with it. Okay, then a chef is here. So a chef will use pan or he will use a pan to cook the food. Obviously, he will use pan to cook the food. So we have to match with the pan. Then a teacher is left. Okay, student, the last one is left now. He is a teacher. So he will use pen to teach. So we have to match with it. Okay, it was all about the profession. You have to complete this worksheet nicely and neatly, and you have to learn about the profession as well. Hope you like it. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.